Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Anna, and this channel is all about helping international dentists navigate the path to becoming licensed in the United States. In today's video, we're diving deep into the entire process of applying to advanced standing programs, from registering your DENTPIN to preparing for exams, submitting CAAPID applications, and nailing your interviews. If you are feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. The process is simpler than you think once you break it down step by step. And as I always say, confidence is contagious, and you've got this. Also, make sure to grab the free cheat sheet linked in the description for a quick overview of the advanced standing program process. And for those who love to dive deeper, my comprehensive guide packed with insider tips, prep materials, and resources is also available. Check the description for more information. Let's get started and make the process as simple and achievable as possible. The application process to advanced standing programs isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It can take anywhere from 12 to 18 months or even more to complete, depending on where you are in your preparation. Missing just one requirement can delay your application by months or even a full cycle, which is why planning and organization are your best friends. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps and provide a timeline to help you stay on track. Ready? Let's jump in. Your DENTPIN is like your passport to advanced standing program world. It's a unique identifier required for everything from exams to your CAAPID application. Here's how to register. Visit the ADA website, fill out the registration form, and that's it. You'll get your DENTPIN in no time. I highly recommend to save your DENTPIN in multiple places and use a consistent email across all steps. This will save you a lot of headaches later. Step number 2, credential evaluations. This step confirms that your foreign dental degree is equivalent to a US, DDS, or DMD. Which agencies you can use? ECE, or Educational Credential Evaluators, is the most commonly accepted by most of the schools. Some schools may require WES, World Education Services, so double-check each school's requirement. To submit your documents, you need to choose the course-by-course evaluation option and send a copy to the address that's written right here or here. Credential evaluations can take anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks or even longer, so start the step early to avoid any delays. Now it's time to tackle the INBDE Integrated National Board Dental Examination, the big one. What's changed recently? The INBDE content is periodically updated to maintain the exam's integrity. This ensures it reflects current dental education and prevents over-circulation of past questions. How can you prepare for the exam? Today, the best resources are INBDE Bootcamp, which is the main resource to prepare for the exam. Then Dr. Ryan's Academy. It's a comprehensive preparation. Supplemental tools can be Mental Dental on YouTube and INBDE Boost. Plan to dedicate 4 to 6 months for studying with at least 5 hours daily. Focus on mastering all topics to ensure a pass. After INBDE, you'll need to pass the TOEFL, Test of English as a Foreign Language. TOEFL proves you can communicate effectively in academic and clinical settings. Most programs require a score of 100 or higher, so aim to get 100. For preparation tips, I recommend the resources that I use to pass the TOEFL. Noteful Complete course for structured prep. They have amazing templates and other resources that will help you to prepare for the exam. Practice with official EDS tests to simulate the real exam. And watch the TST Prep YouTube channel for extra strategies. Schedule your TOEFL by October or November to ensure your scores are ready when CAAPID application opens, which I'll talk in this video in a second. Once you're done with all your exams, now comes the exciting part, submitting your CAAPID application. What you'll need for CAAPID: credential evaluations and exam scores, personal statement and letters of recommendation, CV or resume, and proof of clinical experience. Some schools also require supplemental applications or assessments like CASPER or Cura Talent, so you will need to follow the specific instructions carefully. You can find them either in CAAPID or they will send them via email to you. After submitting your application, start preparing for interviews and bench tests right away. Don't wait. Practice answering common questions about your journey and goals. Stay authentic and confident. Schools want to see the real you. For bench tests, I highly recommend to set up a home practice station to refine your skills and focus on the procedures like crown preps, restorations, and more. Here is a quick recap of how to approach this process. DENTPIN registered 12 to 15 months before March. Credential evaluations start by May-June to finish by September. INBDE begin prep 8-10 months before March and aim to take the exam by fall. TOEFL, take it by October or November to avoid any delays. CAAPID, have all your materials ready by February to submit early. Interviews and bench tests, start prepping by January. By staying organized and starting early, you'll set yourself up for success. I know it feels like a lot. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Take it step by step, stay consistent, and you'll reach your goals. Don't forget to check out the free cheat sheet for a quick overview and my comprehensive guide for insider tips, resources, and more. Links are in the description. If you need personalized help, I'm offering one-on-one consultations. Details are also below. You've got this. Confidence is contagious, and soon enough, you'll be wearing that white coat with pride. See you in the next video.